Hi everyone! Today, we are replacing the rubber wheel of my XiaoMi S5. Remove the 7 screws holding the bottom case of the vacuum cleaner. Also, remove the main brush, the single front wheel, and the spinning brush to allow the case to be removed. Find the 3 screws holding one of the wheels. One of the screws is beneath the wheel. You have to push down the wheel to locate it. Same goes to the other wheel. Once the 3 screws are removed, pull the wheel out gently. Slightly wobble it to pull it out. The same process goes with the other wheel. Now we can remove the torn rubber of the wheel. The rubber is sticked with strong glue. You can remove the rubber wheel easily, but need to put some works cleaning the glue under the wheel. I use my trusty screwdriver to clean the remains of the rubber and glue. After you are happy with it, we can now install the new rubber onto the both wheels. I suggest applying some sort of shoe repairing glue onto the rubber to keep it in place. These are the final result. Just reassemble back everything, and the vacuum is ready to use. Thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead.